Well, anyway, I want to tell you the story, but I can't tell the story because
You're getting it.
Yeah, I know. But so we took the gun cart down with the garage to
With the machinery trailer?
yeah, the trailer, and it was 90. No, it was 90. No, it was 90. No,
900?
no, it was 80. 70 year, 70.
Talking about temperature?
Yeah, temperature before we left.
Yeah.
No,
It went down to 70?
no, it was 70 when we were going, and it was going to be up to 200 to 1,000.
To 1,000 degrees?
Yeah.
It was getting up to 90 or 100
yeah,
or something?
like that. So we go down and I don't know whether all kids are on this or not. I don't know, but anyway, I think maybe it was Curtis was on the web. But anyway, so I have pictures of it going, and we put the good one on the
Trailer?
trailer, and then we put some planches goes on to the.
Get it up on
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put it up on the trailer, and then you drove it into the gun carriage.
Okay. Then we put the other one on, and so. And by the time, it was probably maybe 70. By the time we got, it was probably 90 or more.
getting
So
hot,
we
huh?
went on to about, and it didn't. It was a eventful trip.
An uneventful trip.
No, it was eventful.
It was?
No, eventful trip. And we went. There's only one problem. At the time we had, and you know that a car, like is an old car, truck is when we're going down to Gooding Hill or something like that. You're not going like maybe 6 miles an hour or
Because the gun carriage is that half track converted to a truck.
okay, with the two things behind it, and so. It was like 80s in there. No, 80s instead.
It was like 100 degrees inside it, probably.
I'm saying Hades, like hell.
Hades.
Hades.
Yeah, gotcha.
It
Yep,
was like Hades.
Yep, I caught it on the last one. Yep.
Yeah,
double hockey
It's hot as heck. Yeah.
It was so hot, and it just
Because those don't ventilate well.
yeah, and of course
they're
because
dark, too.
Well, it's
it didn't have a pond on it.
No top.
there's no top.
So you're just getting baked.
And so
Yeah.
we're going away, and we're going and all of a sudden, we had Johnson,
Richard.
just said, we smelled something burning.
Uh-oh.
And so we didn't know what we could do, and one turned off, and we didn't know what one was said. It's just about the top of the mountain there, the mountain. Yeah, just about got there. No, it was an exciting experience like that.
What was burning?
Well, then we got over. We got to stop. We found out that Richard had done our thing and got up on the thing there like that, and his shirt was in the
Exhaust.
an exhaust system.
So the exhaust goes up the side,
I got to think it was
a stack.
Yeah.
And when it gets real hot, I know as kids, we always loved to climb up and we'd sit on the top of the cab because there's no roof.
Yeah.
And so we'd sit on the top of the cab, and there was even a bar there that as kids we could sit underneath, and it's almost like having a seatbelt. It's like a amusement park ride. You had a metal bar over your lap, and so we just sit up there on the top of the truck because it's never going fast.
Right.
Anyway, and so when we found out that the it was so funny.
He ruined his shirt.
That was all the only problem.
The only problem was Richard's
That's
shirt.
all right.
The only casualty.
But
Yeah,
boy,
it was the
when
shirt.
it was, I know that it was 100 degrees or most 100 also there's, and then the stock, the stack
exhaust stack.
and stuff
Oh,
like
yeah.
that.
Oh, it probably had been 1,000 degrees, pulling hard.
Oh yeah.
This sucker was hot.
So I'm going to show you, if you want to show you, I got all pictures of the pictures.
I'll get those pictures from sometime.
And so that's oh boy, it's well, your father gave me and things that he was I don't know. Your father was a nut case and didn't go off to.
You just like to have some
Yeah.
fun. That's fun stuff.